What's up, guys? It's Kenny coming at you with another video today, and we're going to be reviewing the SnowBall Ice from Blue Microphones. I bought this because I'm currently using either my phone audio, my headset audio, or the built-in microphone in my laptop, and audio is pretty terrible, so I figured I'd get a nicer microphone so that I can bring to you guys, my subscriber, all 10 of you right now, which thank you very much for all that. Figure I'd bring you some better quality audio. So let's jump in. Let's go ahead and pop this bad boy out. I've been wanting to do this all day. Finally came in the mail today. And I saved it just for you guys. Let's see what we get in here. What do you got? Alright, so it looks like you got a microphone stand here. Actually, it's pretty nice. It actually is kind of metal, which is cool. USB cable, which is black, which is cool, I guess. Not really. Alright, here's the cool part. Alright, here is the SnowBall Ice in black from Blue Microphones. Give it a shake. Oh, it's actually pretty nice. I like it. It's got a matte finish, SnowBall Ice. That's pretty cool. Blue logo there, obviously, because it's from Blue Microphones. So you just screw this bad boy in right here. So, that was pretty uneventful, actually. But it's pretty cool. It's actually, seems like it's built well. The microphone itself is very sturdy. It's plasticky, but it does have this matte finish. And the metal base is pretty cool. I thought this was going to be plastic, and I thought it might break easily. But it actually is pretty nice. So, cool. So I'm going to install this thing on the computer, and I'll bring you guys an audio test here directly. So, hold your horses for that. This is exciting stuff, guys, I know. Let's put this back. Hey, we got power. What are we doing? This is a microphone test of the Blue SnowBall. I'm going to be bringing this to you guys completely unedited, and I'll just put this here voice after this one, or maybe this one before that one. I don't know. But you'll get the point. Of the Blue SnowBall. I'm going to be bringing this to you guys completely unedited, and I'll just put this here voice after this one, or maybe this one before that one. I don't know. But you'll get the point. Alright, folks, that'll wrap it up for the Blue SnowBall Ice Condenser Microphone. All this audio that you're hearing right now comes directly from this microphone, completely unedited. And check the video description down below where you'll find a link to Amazon where you can buy this product. The only one thing that I would recommend for this is getting a pop filter. After having it and listening to the pops of my voice, I think it would probably be a wise investment for the $2 or $3 it costs. Anyway, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And until next time, deuces!